4th, 2024. It's 11. Whoa. 11:07 p.m. What? It's been kind of on and off rain, and then every once in a while there'll be some thunder and lightning, and every time I look at the radar there's like nothing there, and then all of a sudden I hear something, and then I look at the radar and then there's something there. It's weird. So there was nothing just a couple minutes ago, but now there's this strong, you can't see the bolts, but just like flashes of lightning. And it got really cold. We were at 76 and we're now at 46. So it dropped 30 degrees in just a few hours. Now we're getting blue lightning. We had purple lightning before. Ooh, nope. The wind is shifting and now the rain is coming at me. So I'm going to stop this video. Thanks for watching. God bless. But nothing, wow. No serious thunderstorms. There's no warnings or nothing. It's just a normal storm, I guess. So nothing severe. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless.